G'day guys, Troy from Motackle and Outdoors. We're out here testing out the new McArthy Paddle Tail plastics. The McArthy Paddle Tail range shows incredible attention to detail, something you would expect from a hand-poured soft plastic made in South Africa. The Paddle Tail plastic has features such as a raised gill and eye to complement the ribbed belly section and slender tail to produce an extremely lifelike actioned plastic. The design has allowed the body to be tough, which allows for easy, stable rigging, while the slender tail wrist means the paddle tail works extremely well, even at slow speeds. Rigged on a jighead, the McArthy paddle tail is incredibly stable in the water, whether on a straight retrieve or a lift and drop retrieve. This allows anglers to fish structure or flats to catch everything from flathead, mangrove jacks and bream. There is plenty of colours to choose from in the 4, 5 and 6 inch range to allow anglers to have a paddle tail plastic for every target species from offshore lakes and rivers. So for more information on the McArthy baits, go to motackle.com.au.